This video will address the repair of the 3-inch Apollo 4SG-600. These repair procedures will work on both the standard and lead-free version of this device. This assembly utilizes a bypass, and for more information on how to repair it, please check out our website, www.backflowparts.com. The tools needed for this repair are a pipe wrench or channel lock pliers, a pry bar or long handle screwdriver, a socket wrench with a 7/16 and 3/4 inch socket, and needle nose pliers. To begin the repair, unscrew the black plastic spring caps. In order to remove the cover bolts. The covers are sealed by a gasket and are not spring-loaded. Once you have removed the cover bolts, you can now remove the covers along with the cover gaskets. To remove the check modules, gently pry the module from the body. The modules are O-ring sealed. Be sure to not remove the socket head bolt, as that will release the spring tension. To disassemble the check, unscrew and remove the spring assembly from the module. You can do this by placing a wrench on the flats. To replace the hinge bushing, you will need to remove both E-clips. Once you have removed both E-clips, you can now remove the hinge pin. To reassemble, push the hinge pin through the check valve and hinge bushing and reinstall both E-clips. You can now remove the retaining bolts and disc retainer to access the check rubber. Once you have reinstalled the check rubber, you can put the disc retainer and retaining bolts back in and reassemble the check valve. The check seats are part of the check modules and cannot be removed. If the check seat or seating surface is damaged, the check will need to be replaced. Remove the old seat O-ring and install a new one. Before reinstalling the check valves into the backflow, you will want to lubricate the O-rings. Reinstall the spring assembly by threading it onto the check. To reinstall the check assemblies, push them back into the body. You will need to use a pry bar or long handle screwdriver to push the check valves back into place. Once the check assemblies are back in place, you can reinstall the gaskets and covers. Before reinstalling the black plastic spring caps, replace both O-rings. You can now screw on both black plastic spring caps. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. For more backflow repair videos and other repair resources, check out backflowparts.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more updates.